Welcome to Yalini Crafts. Today we'll see how to paint a pot in an easy way. Now let's start painting. Before that, if you did not subscribe Yalini Crafts, please subscribe the channel. I have taken a pot and painted the pot completely with black color and I have made it dry. I am going to use acrylic colors for pot painting. First, I am going to draw the stem of the flower with green color. Now I have completed drawing the stem. Now I am going to use different colors and draw the flowers. Next I am going to use pink color. Next I am using yellow color. Now I am using blue color. Next I am using red color. Now the pot is completely ready. Let it dry for some time. Now the pot is completely dried. I have given a border with gold color. You can apply a coat of varnish on the top so that the pot will be free from dust. And I have made already a pot like this with the same designs. You can also try this pot painting in your home and say your comments in the below comment box. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Share this video to your friends. Subscribe Yalini Crafts and press the nearby bell button. Follow the Instagram page, Facebook page and WhatsApp broadcast group which is given in the description box. If you did not watch the videos displayed on the screen, please click the video and watch it. Thank you.